Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix iOS 26 beta not installing on iPhone. Are you trying to install the iOS 26 beta on your iPhone, but the update won't go through at all? Don't worry at all. Whether the installation fails midway or doesn't even begin at all, I have got you covered with some quick fixes. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, make sure to check your device compatibility. Before anything else, ensure that your iPhone supports iOS 26. Apple often drops support for older models with each major update. Note that it supports only iPhone 11 and later. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to choose General. After that, select About. And then you have to look at the model name. If your device isn't compatible, the update won't appear at all. Next up, I will recommend you to ensure you are enrolled in the beta program. If you are trying to install the iOS 26 beta, you must be enrolled in Apple's beta software program or have a developer profile installed. To verify, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to choose General. After that, select Software Update, and then you have to choose Beta Updates. If this option doesn't show up, visit beta.apple.com and sign in with your Apple ID to enroll. And after enrolling, restart your iPhone and check for the update again. Then I would recommend you to free up as much storage space on your iPhone as possible. It's worth pointing out that iOS updates need sufficient storage to download and install. If your iPhone is low on space, the installation may fail to kick off. Just open the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, select General. Then you have to choose the iPhone storage option. And then you have to take a close look at the storage status. And after that, you have to wipe out all the useless apps, offload large files, or even remove videos and photos to free up at least 15 to 20 GB of space on your device. Then I will recommend you to restart or force restart your iPhone. Glitches in the system can cause the update to stall, so I would suggest you to give this pretty handy tip a try. To force restart your device, all you have to do is press and release the volume up button. Then you have to press and release the volume down button. And then you have to hold down the side button aka the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. And finally, I will recommend you to update your iPhone using a computer. If the wireless installation fails, I would suggest you to update manually through Finder or iTunes using your Windows or your macOS device. Just connect your iPhone to your computer and then you have to launch Finder if you are using Mac, and if you are using a Windows device, you have to launch iTunes. And then you have to select your device and then you have to hit check for update option and follow the prompts to install the latest update, and that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix iOS 26 not installing on iPhone. Hopefully you have managed to get a better of the problem and now have been able to install the update without any hassle at all. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll catch you up in the next one.